In this video, I will show you how to get and use best free PDF viewer and editor Windows and Mac. Open your browser and go to this link. PDFgear software are available for Windows, Mac, iOS and Android. Download and install the PDFgear software. Run the PDFgear software. See here the software hot tool and other item here. Open a PDF file, see more features of this software. Here the home menu, here the general view of this software. Here the comment menu, here you can highlight, underline, insert shape, insert text, text box, insert note, insert stamp and more. Here the edit menu, here you edit text and object, add text and add image, link file or URL, create watermark, insert page number, header and footer, create stamp, create signature and insert signature and more. Here the form menu, here you can create PDF form. Here the page menu, here you can extract page, delete page, insert page, crop page, rotate page. Here the tools menu, here you can convert, compress, split PDF, add signature, set and remove password. Many more features are in this software, you can try it. That's it. Enjoy. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.